Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for managing your open source projects. Let's start with step 1, creating your project. After you've logged in, navigate to the Create Project button on your dashboard. This is where you start building your project structure. Now, why is this important? Well, it's here you define your project's overall direction and goals. It's the foundation for all your future work. Next up, we move on to adding team members. Click on the Team tab and then Add Members. Here, you can invite collaborators by entering their email addresses. The reason we do this is to ensure our project is a collective effort with everyone on the same page. Collaborative work is the backbone of any successful open source project. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up tasks. Click on the Tasks tab and start adding tasks by clicking New Task. Assign these tasks to your team members based on their roles. This helps us because it keeps everyone accountable and ensures all tasks are taken care of. Let me explain why this matters. In an open source project, everyone is a volunteer. Keeping tasks clear and distributed evenly can motivate team members and prevent burnout. Once you've set up your tasks, move on to the Repository tab. Here, you can link your GitHub repository to UPBASE. This is the heart of your project, where all the code lives. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE syncs your project with GitHub, ensuring all your code changes are tracked and managed effectively. Finally, visit the Progress tab. This allows you to monitor your project's progress, see completed tasks, and those still pending. Regularly checking this tab ensures you're on track and helps you make any necessary adjustments. So that's it. You've now set up your open source project on UPBASE. Remember, the key to successful project management is constant communication, regular progress checks, and efficient task distribution. So get out there and bring your open source project to life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.